Hey there, welcome to Nimiq, a browser-first blockchain focused on simplicity and ease of use. Recently, we made a lot of updates and improvements, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Nimiq. Step 1 is go to nimiq.com, that is Nimiq.com, always double check the address. From here, if you're brand new to Nimiq, you're going to want to create an account, so navigate up here to the top right corner. Actually, let's start a timer. There we go. Create account. Once this page loads, you can choose an avatar. If one of these doesn't click with you, you can click new avatars, but I like this one. Alright, now I'm going to type in a password. There we go. It says it's pretty good. Now I just have to repeat it by typing it again. And welcome to the Nimiq blockchain. That is how long it just took to create an account. Pretty fast, I would say. Alright, so from here, this is the account that we just created. This is actually the address. So a cool thing that you can now do is actually have multiple addresses within one account. So down here, if you see this little plus icon, if you click on that, you can then, you do have to put in your password to unlock it for the account that we just created, and then choose another avatar. Yep. And now that that is added, another cool thing you can see is now each address has a name as well as an identicon, making it easier to differentiate the different addresses. Up here in the top right here, if we click this little drop down, you will see this is the account, and if you want to create another account with addresses within that one, you can also do that. And also, if you click add account, you will see that if you have a ledger, you can also, a ledger nano S, you can create an account with your ledger nano S, in turn being even more secure. Also, if you already have an account, you can log in right there. We're gonna head back to accounts. Right here, you will see it says download your login file to save your account. We're gonna wanna click that, and your login file grants access to your account. Download and save it. Continue to login file. You do have to type in your password. And the reason for the login file is so that you can easily regain access to your account. And then as another backup, you create a backup with the seed word. So we're going to click create backup. Yep, show recovery words. And right here are my 24 recovery words. Now normally I would not want to show these to anyone, but for this tutorial, it's all good. So you're going to want to write these down on a physical piece of paper and store them in a secure location, maybe even part of them in one location, the other part in another location. Validate backup. Let us see, what was word 7? It was rapid. There you can see our account has now been backed up, so it's very secure and I can always regain access to it. So next thing is we're going to receive some free NIM compliments of Nimiq by clicking this very inviting looking blue button, receive free NIM. Human after all? That is correct. Traffic lights, boom, boom, verify. Get free NIM. 1 NIM is on the way. So as you can see, 1 NIM has just been sent from the Nimiq faucet over to our address right here, and in just a millisecond it should be here. There we go, 1 NIM has just gone through to this account. Now we're actually going to send this NIM from this address to this address. So first thing, go to this address, and by simply clicking on this right here, this is our public address. Now that I copied that, I'm going to come over to blue chattering herder and send from this address. Going to paste the address, Control or Command V right there. Max, which is currently 1 NIM from the faucet. A very nice bonus of these avatars is that it's easy to confirm the address. So I put the address, you know, there's a lot of numbers and letters, but I can see that this avatar is the same as this avatar, so I know we are good to go. Going to send that transaction. We'll have to type your password in again, so I just did that. And the transaction has just been sent. There we go, our 1 NIM has gone through, and that is the process for sending NIM from one address to the other. Now we're going to head back to the home page by clicking the Nimiq up here, top left corner, And you know, at this point you've created your account and you're wondering, how do I get more Nim? Well, thankfully there's a few different ways. You could either mine with your computer, you could also participate in a community bounty, or buy and exchange Nim on an exchange. So, how do you find a third-party exchange where Nim is traded? Well, from here, you can simply click on Exchanges right here, this tab, and here you'll find all the different exchanges that trade Nim. For example, if I click on KuCoin right here, it'll take me to the site, to the KuCoin exchange. And this is just one of the many exchanges that are available here. Also, right here in the middle, you can see the current Nim price in USD as well as BTC. Alright, gonna head back to the home page. Another way is if you're interested in mining, you can click on the miner tab right here. There's also a dedicated video on this, which we will link in the description. But gonna head back. Now if you're a developer or super techie person and really want to dig into the code, you can click on Tech right here. And if you're familiar with things like bug bounties, testnets, and GitHub, you'll feel right at home. Back to the home page. This leads me into the next thing, which is very important, and that's the community. Nimiq has an awesome, helpful, and growing community of miners, developers, and users over on our Discord. So be sure to head down to the bottom left social button tab, and in here you will find all our different socials. We post YouTube videos, Twitter updates, Medium blogs, and much more. Also, there is a separate community website where anyone can get involved, which is right here. This is simply nimiq.community. And most importantly, if you have any questions, definitely join our Discord, which is right here. And basically, every day there's conversations going on all topics regarding Nimiq. You can also check out Nimiq applications by clicking on Apps. Here you can find many useful applications developed by the Nimiq team, as well as the community, well worth checking out. There is quite a few. For example, up here at the top, you have the shop right here, and this is actually the Nimiq shop, where everything within here you can buy using Nim. For example, the t-shirt, 5,000 Nim. So that's a wrap for this video. Make sure to follow all of Nimiq's socials to stay up to date, and if you have any suggestions for helpful videos, drop a comment below. See you in the next one.